You just had your baby and you have a perfect family. You have a loving partner and your baby is adorable. You can't believe how picture perfect this is right now. Until you die. You wonder, what's going to happen to my baby? Well, that depends. Do you have a will? A will is a legal document that explains how you want your estate to be divided when you die. But more importantly, it can also include a guardianship clause where you can appoint a guardian for your underage child. If you don't have a will, or if you have one but if it does not have the guardianship clause, appointing someone to be your child's guardian, it will be up to the court to decide who looks after your underage child. This could take several days, weeks or months. In the meantime, your child will most likely be taken into foster care. That means if you and your partner dies without appointing a guardian, even if the grandparents, uncles and aunts are available to take care of your child will have to go through the foster care system before they are assigned to one of your family members. So how do you choose a guardian? Relatives are the most practical choice, but you should also consider that this individual or couple will be raising your child. So consider whether the person you're appointing shares your beliefs and values. Obviously, you have to make sure that they are willing to be a guardian first. Can I prepare my own will without a lawyer? It is possible to buy a will kit from the store or download it from the internet. However, a lot of the times it will lack the nuances that many people require, and it may not even be suitable for your province or country. So it is recommended to hire a lawyer. After all, you won't be around to fix it when they need to use it. If the original will is lost, is a photocopy or digital scans valid? Simple answer, no. You need the original will. Losing the original will is like having no will at all. So where should I keep the will? Many law firms do store their client's will, but you may want to store it at your home. Why? What if the law firm closes down and you no longer can get access to the will? After all, not many businesses last for decades and decades. If you do keep your will at home, put it somewhere safe, like a safe. Ideally, fireproof and waterproof. If you found the information helpful, please hit that like button and consider subscribing for more tips in the future. Thanks for watching and happy parenting.